Meaning of handheld.
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 Handheld. Handheld refers to a device that is designed to be held in one or both hands while in use. The term commonly refers to electronic devices like smartphones, portable gaming consoles, and digital cameras that are meant to be operated by hand. These types of devices have become ubiquitous in modern life due to their convenience and portability. They allow people to perform a wide variety of tasks while on the go, such as making phone calls, taking photos, playing games, and accessing the internet. Overall, handheld emphasizes the importance of mobility and ease of use in today's technology-driven world.